Hi everyone, this is Yunus. Welcome to my channel. One of the commonly heard questions is that how many EC2s can be launched on the same host or the same physical server. We all know that EC2 is a virtual machine and you can launch multiple virtual machines on a physical host. But how many? Is it 4, 5, 10 or 100? Let's find out. So you can come to this particular site. I'll give you this link in description of this video. Basically, this site gives the pricing details about EC2 dedicated hosts and how many instances can be launched, how many different type of instances can be launched in each of the instance family types. And that information is what is relevant to our today's question. If you come down and look at this table, it actually shows for a specific instance family type such as A1, how many physical cores are there, and if you are going for A1 Nano, how many instances you can have, or if you are going for A1 Medium, how many instances you can have. So we are more interested in T2 and T3. So let me just go down. Yeah, here T3 is there, and for better readability, I have copied this table into an Excel sheet. So let me open that. Okay, so here is the table, the Excel sheet which gives the same information which we just now saw. It actually gives for each instance family how many physical cores are there, and if you are launching a T3 Nano, how many EC2 instances you can have in one server. It is 192. And if it is T3 Micro, again it is 192. Even T3 Small and T3 Medium also same, because they have the same number of cores, vCPUs. So if you are using T3 Micro, in the same server, physical server, 191 other EC2 instances may be running, or it has the capability for 192 T3 Micro EC2 instances. So now let us calculate just a theoretical calculation. In a large AWS data center, how many EC2 instances you can have? In a data center, you can have between 50 to 80,000 servers. And these servers are used for not just for EC2s, it is used for other services such as databases, and 200 other services are there from AWS. But for now, assume that all these 80,000 servers are used for EC2s. And also assume that they have only one instance family type, which is T3. But practically that won't be the case, but just assume that. So 80,000 servers and 192 T3 micros per server. So if you multiply these two, you get this number, which is 15.36 million EC2s. Again, it's just theoretical calculation, but it is very interesting to know the kind of capacity an AWS data center holds with respect to EC2s. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come back with other useful videos. Keep watching. Please share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.